Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Chill English channel, where we learn English slowly, clearly, and without stress.
Hi, friends. I'm Jake, and I'm really happy you're here today because this topic helps so many learners.
Yes, today we want to talk about something very important for speaking English, and it is not only about words.
And it is not only about grammar either. It is about how your brain and mouth work together.
Our topic today is called Train Your Brain and Mouth to Speak in English.
When you hear this title, you might feel curious or maybe a little confused.
That feeling is okay, because many learners never think about the mouth as part of learning.
Many learners tell us, I understand English when I listen or read, but I cannot speak.
Yes, they say their brain knows English, but their mouth feels slow or silent.
It feels like the words are stuck inside and they cannot come out.
If this sounds like you, please relax, because you are not alone.
And, very important, this does not mean you are bad at English.
This happens to learners at A1, A2, and even B1 level every day.
Speaking English is not only a thinking skill, it is also a physical skill.
Your brain must learn English, but your mouth must also learn how to move in English.
Think about learning to play music. You can read notes, but your hands must practice.
Or think about learning to ride a bike. Watching videos is not enough.
Your body must practice again and again until it feels natural.
Speaking English works in the same way.
Knowing English and using English are two very different things.
Many learners wait for perfect English before they speak.
And honestly, that perfect moment almost never comes.
When you wait too long, your mouth gets no training at all.
And a mouth without training feels shy, weak, or scared.
Some learners say, I think too much before I speak.
Others say, I'm afraid to make mistakes, so I stay quiet.
These feelings are very common, and they do not mean failure.
They only mean your brain and mouth need simple and clear training.
Step by step, not fast, not perfect.
At the Chill English channel, we believe learning should feel calm and friendly.
When learning feels calm, your brain stays open.
And when your brain is open, your mouth feels more ready to speak.
Stress closes the brain, and silence follows.
But comfort opens the brain, and words start to move.
That is why we use easy language and natural conversations here.
We want English to feel normal, not scary.
If you enjoy learning English in this relaxed way, please remember to subscribe.
Subscribing helps you practice regularly, and it helps us keep creating lessons for you.
Now, let's think a little about the brain first.
Your brain needs time to feel safe with English sounds and simple ideas.
Many learners translate every word from their language into English.
This makes speaking very slow and very tiring.
Translation is not wrong, but too much translation creates fear.
A better way is to use short and simple English thoughts.
For example, you can think, I am hungry, or I need coffee.
These thoughts are small, but they are very powerful.
They teach your brain to stay in English without pressure.
When your brain feels safe, your mouth feels more confident.
But when your brain feels afraid, your mouth stays quiet.
So today, we want to change fear into training.
You are not trying to be perfect.
You are trying to be active.
Active English builds confidence.
Silent English only stays in your head.
In this episode, we will share easy ideas to help your brain and mouth work as a team.
These ideas are simple, but they are very effective when you use them often.
You do not need difficult words or fast speaking.
You only need patience and small daily action.
When you practice like this, speaking feels less scary.
And slowly, smile, speaking starts to feel more natural.
Let's take a breath together.
And stay open to a new way of learning English.
Because when your brain and mouth learn together,
speaking English becomes much easier. All right, now, let's move into the real training part, where we help your brain and mouth work together.
Yes, this is the part where English becomes active, not only something you understand, but something you use.
First, let's talk about training your brain in a simple, friendly way.
Your brain does not need long sentences. It needs short, clear English thoughts every day.
A great start is to name things around you in English, even when you are alone.
For example, look at a chair and think, this is a chair, or the chair is brown.
Small thoughts like this may feel easy, but they are very powerful for your brain.
They help your brain stay in English without fear, without translating too much.
Another idea is to talk about what you are doing right now.
You might say, I am making tea, or I am working on my computer.
You do not need perfect grammar at this stage, only clear meaning.
When your brain practices these simple ideas, your mouth will follow more easily.
Now, let's focus on the mouth, because this is where many learners stop.
Some learners feel strange speaking alone, but speaking alone is actually very useful.
It is safe, quiet, and free from fear of mistakes.
You can read simple sentences out loud from a book, app, or your own notes.
When you read out loud, your mouth learns English sounds and rhythm.
You can also repeat short sentences after listening to simple English audio.
For example, you hear, "Today is a nice day," and you repeat it slowly.
Slow speaking is perfect because your mouth needs time to learn new movements.
Many learners try to speak fast, but fast is not the goal.
Clear and calm speech is much stronger for training than fast, nervous speech.
Another great exercise is answering simple questions out loud.
Ask yourself, how do I feel today? And answer in one simple sentence.
Saying, "I feel okay today," is real speaking practice.
These small actions teach your mouth that speaking English is normal.
Let's talk about mistakes now, because mistakes are part of learning.
When you learn to walk, you fall many times, but you keep going.
Speaking English is the same. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Some learners wait for perfect sentences.
But perfect sentences are not needed for real communication.
Most people understand you even if your English is not perfect.
Another common problem is silence when learners wait too long to speak.
Silence may feel safe, but it stops your mouth from learning.
It is better to speak simple English than to say nothing at all.
Confidence grows from action, not from waiting.
Let's try a very simple example together now.
Imagine you are introducing yourself to a new person.
You can say, "Hello, my name is Jake, and I am learning English."
Or, hi, I'm Sophia, and I like learning new languages.
These sentences are simple, but they are real communication.
When you practice sentences like these, your mouth learns faster.
Repeating the same sentences many times on different days is very helpful.
Repetition makes your mouth feel comfortable and relaxed.
Don't worry if it feels boring. Repetition is training.
Athletes repeat basic moves every day. Speakers do the same.
Now, let's talk about time. Many learners say, "I am too busy."
You do not need 1 hour every day. Even 5 minutes is enough.
5 minutes every day is much better than one long day once a month.
Daily practice builds habit, and habits build confidence.
If you miss one day, it is okay. Just continue tomorrow.
Be kind to yourself, because stress slows learning down.
When English feels light and easy, your brain stays open.
And when your brain is open, your mouth moves more naturally.
In a moment, we'll help you put these ideas into a simple daily routine.
A routine that helps you stay calm, consistent, and confident with speaking.
But first, let's practice one small exercise together.
Look around you, pick 3 objects, and name them in English out loud.
For example, this is a book. This is a pen. This is a cup.
Repeat slowly and notice how your mouth learns the movements.
You can do this anytime, at home, at work, or even outside.
Another simple exercise, talk about your day for 1 minute.
Say, I woke up, I ate breakfast, I am drinking tea now.
Even short sentences are real speaking, and they help your mouth practice.
Remember, the goal is not perfect grammar, but moving words out of your brain.
Mistakes are good. They show you are using your English voice.
And step by step, your brain and mouth will feel more comfortable together.
When your mouth feels ready, speaking becomes natural, not scary.
Little by little, you build confidence and enjoy speaking more and more.
Soon, it will feel easier to say what you think without fear.
And now, let's prepare for the next step where we put these ideas into a daily routine that really works.
Let's take a calm moment now and see how all these ideas can fit into your daily life.
Yes, because learning English works best when it becomes a small, friendly habit.
You do not need long study hours or big plans to improve your speaking.
Small actions, done every day, can slowly change how your brain and mouth feel about English.
A simple daily routine can help your brain stay calm and ready.
You can start your day by thinking one simple English sentence in your head.
For example, today is a good day, or I feel okay this morning.
These small thoughts act like a gentle warm-up for your brain.
They tell your brain that English is normal, safe, and part of your life.
Later, give your mouth a little practice. Even 5 minutes is enough.
You can talk out loud about what you see, what you are doing, or how you feel.
For example, I am walking outside, or I am making dinner now.
At first, it may feel slow, awkward, or strange, and that is completely normal.
New habits always feel strange before they feel natural.
Speed is not important. Calm, clear speaking is much more useful.
Another very important tip, accept your mistakes.
Mistakes are not failures. They are proof that your brain and mouth are training.
When you stop worrying about mistakes, your confidence grows quietly.
Confidence comes from using English, not from waiting for perfection.
Many learners feel shy about their accent.
But your accent is part of your story. It does not stop you from communicating.
People speak English all over the world with different accents.
Clear communication is much more important than sounding like a native speaker.
When you accept your voice, your mouth feels relaxed.
And when your mouth is relaxed, words flow more easily.
Some days, speaking will feel easy and fun.
Other days, it may feel hard again, and that is normal.
Learning is not a straight line. It goes up and down.
What matters is that you keep going, even on quiet or difficult days.
Even 5 calm minutes of speaking is very helpful for your brain and mouth.
Over time, these minutes add up and create real progress.
Let's quickly recap the main ideas so everything is clear.
First, train your brain with small, simple English thoughts every day.
Second, train your mouth by speaking out loud, even if you are alone.
Third, practice regularly, but be gentle and patient with yourself.
English is not a test you must pass. It is a tool you can use.
The more you use this tool, the more natural it becomes in your hands.
We would love to hear about your speaking journey.
Please write a comment and tell us what feels hard or what feels better now.
Your comments help build a kind, supportive learning community.
And if this episode helped you feel calmer about speaking English, please subscribe.
Subscribing helps you continue learning with us in a relaxed, friendly way.
You are not late, you are not bad, and you are not alone in this journey.
You are learning, step by step, at your own pace.
Keep training your brain, keep using your mouth, and trust the process.
Little by little, your English voice will feel stronger and more natural.
One day soon, you will notice that speaking English feels normal and easy.
And when that day comes, you will feel proud of every small step you took.
So take your time, speak often, and remember that progress is happening every day.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and enjoy your English journey.
Because it is yours.
Your brain is learning, your mouth is learning, and together they will make English fun.
You are doing great, and each word you speak is a step forward.
Remember, it is not about being perfect. It is about using English every day, little by little.
And that, friends, is how your brain and mouth become a team. Speaking English becomes easier and more natural.
Keep practicing, stay relaxed, and enjoy every word you say. You are on the right path.
Thank you for spending this time with us. Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep smiling. You've got this.